In this video, we're going to see how to install CentOS on VMware Workstation Pro, step by step. For the installation, you'll need an ISO image of CentOS, which you can download from the internet. It will look something like this. Now, go ahead and open VMware Workstation Pro. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Custom Advanced, and then click Next. Leave this option as it is and click Next. Choose this option and click Next. Here, under the Guest Operating System, select Linux. In the version list, find and select CentOS 864-bit, and then click Next. At this point, you can change the virtual machine name if you like. You can also change the location where it will be saved. Once you're done, click Next. Now change the number of processors to 2, and then click Next. For memory, 1 GB RAM is recommended, but you can assign more if you want better performance. Click Next. Leave the network type set to NAT and click Next. Leave these options as default and keep clicking Next. Here, if you have enough disk space, you can increase the size. A minimum of 20 GB is recommended. Also make sure to select Store Virtual Disk as a single file, and then click Next. Click Next. Before finishing, click on Customize Hardware. Click on CD/DVD Options. Here, we'll select the CentOS ISO image. Now move to Network Adapter. The default adapter is NAT, which provides internet access, and that's perfectly fine, so we'll keep it enabled. But we also need a second network adapter for our local virtual lab. So click on Add, select Network Adapter, and then choose Custom VMNet1, Host Only. This adapter will be used for local communication between virtual machines, while NAT will still allow internet access. Once everything is set, click Close, and then click Finish. Now it's time to start the virtual machine, so click on Power on this virtual machine. Click anywhere on the black screen and press Enter. This will begin the installation process, and it may take a little time. If you see this checking process, we don't really need it, so just press the ESC key on your keyboard and let it continue. Leave the language as English, United States, and click Continue. Now we need to do a few basic settings before the installation starts, so just follow along carefully. Under User Settings, click on Root Password. Enter the password you'd like to use when logging in as root. This password will be required whenever you log in as the root user. If the password is too short, you'll need to confirm it by clicking the Done button twice. Next, click on Installation Destination. Double-click on the available disk and then click Done. If you'd like to create a new user instead of using only the root account, you can do that here. Finally, let's set the date and time. Simply select your correct location by clicking on your country on the map. Click Done, and then click Begin Installation. The installation will take a few minutes, so just give it some time. Once the installation is finished, click on Reboot System. The system will restart. Click on License Information. Check the license agreement box and click Done. Now click Finish Configuration. Your CentOS installation is now complete. It will ask for some basic information like your full name and password. Set those details and you're all set. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's learning Linux or working with virtual machines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.